Hey, what's up everybody, Sami here. Today we are going to take a quick look at this OPPO Reno 9 Pro Plus. Yeah! This video has covered almost everything you might be interested in about this phone, including unboxing, design specs walkthrough, performance, audio test, and the camera test. And for the camera performance, I compared it with its flagship, the OPPO X5 Pro and the iPhone 14 Pro. And surprisingly, without doubt, this Reno 9 Pro Plus has outperformed these two phones, at least in one or two aspects. Please stick around to the end for that, and please subscribe if you haven't. Also, please don't forget to check out my sponsor, Geekbuying's Black Friday promotion. I have to say, I've lied to many girls, but I'm not going to lie about how awesome these deals are. You will surely find something you want at the best price. Don't miss that. The link is in the description. Now, let's get started. Alright, first unboxing the OPPO Reno 6? Did they say something wrong? Oh, sorry, it's 9. OPPO Reno 9 Pro Plus. As you can see, I've already done a very simple unboxing video without talking. I put that video to YouTube Shorts and of course TikTok. Yeah, and please subscribe to TikTok if you haven't. And yeah, that's the packaging for the Reno 9 Pro Plus. As you can see, it's very different from the previous generations, right? And yeah, from like, as far as I can remember, maybe from 5? Anyway, let's just open it. We have 60 gigs RAM plus 512 gigs of storage. Jesus, that's crazy. The color I got is Minzy Tomorrow Gold. Okay, that's what they call it. Anyway, some information about that, and that's it. The first layer is, without surprise, would it be some paperwork. Ooh, that's a gift card worth 500 RMB. That's also a pen and a phone case, all right? Good quality, better than nothing. Moving on is the phone. Ooh, that's the Tomorrow Gold. We have a phone charger. Now it's 80 watts. Finally, it's 80 watts, not the traditional 67 watts, all right? Should charge much faster. Also, we have the Type-C cable, and that's it. All right, that's basically what it all includes in the box. Now, let's get to the phone. Wow, my first impression is that thing is really lightweight. And the thing, just check this out. And it has this kind of curved back, gives you a super comfortable hold. You know what I mean, right? And always said to me the Reno 9 series is the thinnest and lightest among all the Reno series. Wow, just check out. And this is the color, this is the Tomorrow Gold. It's super smooth, as you can, when you touch. No smudges and no fingerprints will be gathered on the back. It just use without a case. I'm gonna use without a case, you know. Alright, now let me walk you through the designs. On the top we have the denoise mic. Oh, and check this out. We finally have the infrared blaster. I really want this, you know. We can use this to remote control TV or air conditioner. Moving to the left side, we have the volume rocker. Feels solid. Moving to the right side, we have the power key, and also you can see this green accent there. That's typical OPPO phone, right? I'm moving to the bottom. We have the speaker, Type-C, and also SIM card slot. Let me check. Dual card, dual standby, does not support SD card expansion. And now we're moving to the back, and this is the camera module. We have the main camera that's 50 megapixel IMX 890, and this is an 8 megapixel ultra wide, and this is 2 megapixel macro, and this is the flash. So we can see here, powered by Silicon. Ooh. Dual chipset should perform much better, right? And moving to the front, the selfie is a 32 megapixel IMX 709 sensor, and the screen is 6.7 inch 120 Hz display, and it supports PWM brightness adjustment. Now let's just get into it, alright? I already recorded my fingerprint. Wow, super fast. Just touch it slightly and it will be unlocked. Ooh, let's check out the specs first. Now about the device, the features ColorOS 13.1 0. And we have the storage, 512 gigs. It's LPDDR5 plus UFS 3.1. And we have the processor, Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 mobile platform. It is not the newest one, but it is the most reliable you can buy on the market so far. And the Gen 2 is, just out and needs some time to tune, The battery is 4,700 milliamp. Screen size 6.7 inches. Already said that. The RAM is 16 gigs. Jesus, 16 gigs. Check this out. And it also you can expand it by 8 gigs. Wow. So the maximum is like 24 gigs RAM. Can you believe that? Crazy. Marry Silicon X cameras. And now let's move to the speaker test, as you probably use the phone for, for TikTok. Me too, I love it, Alright, that's the audio test. What do you think about it? I think it is definitely the best audio among all the Reno series. Really, it's just full-bodied and really clear. I just love the sound. By the way, I don't know why TikTok always push this kind of girls videos to me. I have no idea. And I love watching it. Anyway, let's move to the performance. I'm not a gaming guy, so I'm not doing game tests for you. And now let's just run into the benchmark, alright? Alright, that's the AnTuTu benchmark. Quite normal for the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. The best part is the thermal control. As you can see, the highest temperature is only around 38 degrees Celsius. And I would imagine it could handle decently when you are playing heavy games. Last but not least is the camera performance. One thing I noticed immediately is the crazy good selfies at night. The Find X5 Pro can get overexposed sometimes, but the Reno 9 Pro Plus handled every photo decently. Compared to the iPhone 14 Pro, obviously, Reno has an overall better look. Just check out how brighter my face is, while at the same time, it keeps the background under normal exposure. However, as I just got this phone and I have really limited time with it, and the weather here is really bad, so I'm unable to provide good daytime photos. But for this part, I will just use my friend Eva's samples. Make sure to subscribe to her channel as well. And if you want me to do more camera tests, just let me know. Alright, that's the video. I hope you have learned one or two things about this OPPO Reno 9 Pro Plus. And to be honest, if I have to switch to a new phone, currently I'm using the OPPO Find X3 Pro Photography Edition. I'm happy with it. But if I have to switch to a new phone, then I will probably consider this OPPO Reno 9 Pro Plus for its super lightweight design. Just check out how comfortable it is just to hold in your hand, and has really good camera performance. And of course the price, the Reno series is not the super expensive one, the flagship one in OPPO phones. So definitely worth considering if you want to switch to a new phone, right? Thanks for watching. I'm Sami. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.